Start by placing your cursor in the cell directly below the header row. In this example, that's cell A3. Go to the View tab and click on Freeze Panes, then select Freeze Panes from the drop-down menu. A divider will appear above row 3, and now, as you scroll down your spreadsheet, the first 2 rows remain visible at the top. This is especially useful for large datasets, as your headers will always stay in view. If you want to unfreeze the rows, simply return to Freeze Panes and select Unfreeze Panes. Once this is done, scrolling down the sheet will move the headers out of view again. Excel also allows you to freeze both rows and columns so that key information is always visible when scrolling in any direction. For example, you might want to keep your headers at the top while also keeping column A in place. To do this, go to the View tab and click on Split. You'll see a cross appear on the spreadsheet. Click in the center of the cross and drag it below the second row to lock the headers and drag it to the right of column A to lock that column. Once the split is positioned correctly, return to Freeze Panes and click Freeze Panes again. Now, as you scroll down or move to the right, both the headers and column A remain in place. This makes it easy to compare data across large sheets without losing track of the key labels. If you ever want to undo this setup, simply click Split again to remove the frozen rows and columns. This restores normal scrolling across the spreadsheet.